Have you ever wondered what Convex Finance is? Let's unravel this mystery together. Convex Finance is a smart protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain. Its mission? To boost rewards for those who provide liquidity, a term you might know as liquidity providers, but that's not all. Convex Finance also simplifies the complex world of yield farming, making it more accessible for everyone. By now, you must be wondering how Convex Finance manages to boost rewards. Let's dive into the mechanics of it. Understanding Convex Finance is not rocket science. Let's break it down. Convex Finance is a protocol that sits on top of another protocol called Curve Finance. You can think of Curve Finance as a marketplace for stablecoins where people provide liquidity to earn rewards. Convex Finance works with this system to increase these rewards. Here's how it works. When you deposit your tokens into Convex Finance, they're used to earn Curve's platform rewards, and in return, you get Convex tokens. These tokens represent your stake and the rewards you'll earn over time. Now, Convex Finance has its native token called CVX. When you stake your CVX tokens, you're essentially becoming a part of the Convex Finance system. You're given a share in the platform's earnings and you have a say in the platform's governance decisions. But how does Convex Finance increase rewards? It does this by optimizing the yield farming strategies it uses. The platform automates the process, constantly seeking the best yield opportunities and reallocating resources to take advantage of them. The goal of Convex Finance is to make earning rewards from liquidity provision as straightforward and profitable as possible. It simplifies the process and increases the potential returns, making it an attractive option for those looking to earn from their crypto assets. So that's how Convex Finance operates. But what does it mean for you as an investor? As an investor, you must be curious about how Convex Finance can benefit you. Well, let's dive into it. Convex Finance is designed with the investor in mind. It harnesses the power of DeFi or decentralized finance to increase rewards for users. How does it do this? By optimizing the yield farming process. Yield farming, for those new to the term, is essentially a way to earn more cryptocurrency. But Convex Finance takes it a step further. Not only can you earn increased rewards through yield farming, but you also earn a share of the platform's profits through the CVX token. Yes, you heard that right. By investing in Convex Finance, you're essentially becoming a part owner of the platform. However, it's important to remember that like all cryptocurrencies, investing in Convex Finance comes with risks. Always do your research and invest responsibly. With its unique approach to yield farming and boosting rewards, Convex Finance is certainly an interesting addition to the crypto world. Now let's talk numbers. What's the price prediction for Convex Finance? Predicting the price of cryptocurrency can be tricky due to the volatile nature of the market. However, based on its potential and current market trends, Convex Finance is showing promising signs. It's been steadily gaining traction in the crypto community due to its unique approach to yield farming. Given the current market conditions and the increasing adoption of DeFi platforms, it wouldn't be surprising to see Convex Finance experience significant growth in the coming years. But remember, this is just a prediction, not financial advice. Always do your own research and consider your financial situation before investing. In summary, Convex Finance is a unique platform in the DeFi space. It offers an innovative solution to yield farming, which may drive its growth in the foreseeable future. Convex Finance is a promising platform with a unique approach to yield farming. As always, do your research before investing. Until next time, keep exploring the world of crypto